Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox on PS4 less laggy. First, ensure no other applications are running in the background on your PlayStation 4, as they consume valuable system resources. Next, verify that your PS4 system software is fully updated to the latest version, as updates often include performance enhancements. Finally, a simple restart of both your PS4 console and your internet router can often resolve temporary connectivity or performance glitches, giving you a smoother gaming experience. Optimizing your network connection is crucial for reducing lag. We highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, as it provides a much more stable and faster connection, minimizing packet loss. If Wi-Fi is your only option, try moving your router closer to your PlayStation 4. Additionally, reduce the number of other devices actively using your home network while you play. Consider upgrading your internet plan if your current speeds are consistently below 50 megabits per second for a noticeable improvement. Adjusting Roblox's in-game settings can significantly impact performance. Start by lowering the graphics quality settings within Roblox itself. This reduces the visual complexity your PlayStation 4 needs to render. Also, decrease the render distance, which lessens the amount of the game world loaded at any given time. Disabling unnecessary visual effects can also help. Furthermore, playing on less crowded servers or experiences often results in a smoother gameplay experience, as there's less data to process from other players. Regular PlayStation 4 system maintenance is vital for consistent performance. Clear your PS4 cache by completely powering it off and unplugging it for at least 30 seconds. Ensure your console has ample free storage space, ideally 20 gigabytes or more, as a full hard drive can slow things down. Rebuilding your PS4 database from safe mode can also improve system responsiveness. Lastly, keep your PS4 vents clean to prevent overheating, which can severely degrade performance and lead to frustrating lag spikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.